Happy New Year. My name is Felix Kennedy, also known as Crypto Champ. Today, I want to show you the easiest way to make money online. So I want you to stay with me from the very beginning to the very end of this video, so I can guide you step by step on how to make money easily online. So before we start, I would want you to get your Android phone and make sure it's fully charged. And guys, also remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. So with that being said, let's move straight into the video of how to make money online. Easiest and simplest way to start making money online. As earlier said, you will need your Android phone. You will need to make sure your phone is fully charged, and after that you download the Binance app, because I'll be showing you the easiest and simplest way to start making money online with Binance app. Let's go straight into the app. Once you get to the app, you will need to sign up or sign in, get your account verified, and come with me. Let me show you step by step how to start making money online with Binance app, the easiest and simplest way. There are so many ways here you can make money via sports trading. Also, we have margin trading. Besides that, we have features as well. So but today I'll be showing you the easiest way to start with, and on my subsequent video I'll show you how to start making money with spot, margin and futures as well. But for today I want to show you the simplest and easiest way, which is you come to this homepage, the Binance homepage, and you scroll down, come to this. Here we have Binance N. Just click this arrow in front of Binance N. Once you click on this arrow in front of Binance N, to take you to this interface. I'm talking about the easiest and simplest way, guaranteed, 100% guaranteed way to easily and simply make money without any doubt of, is it going to work? It's not going to work. It's definitely working, 100% working, and you have nothing to lose. So here you can see boldly it's written on it, guaranteed. This is a guaranteed and easiest, simplest way to make money with Binance app. So why is it guaranteed? It is guaranteed because it's 100% safe. Why is it guaranteed? It's guaranteed because it's the simplest and easiest way which you can start making money online with Binance app. So in my subsequent video, I will also explain to you how to make money with high yields and not to invest. But for today, let's stick to guaranteed, which is the easiest and simplest and 100% safest way to start making money online without any investment. So what you have to do is you come here. You can see we have list of tokens which you can invest in. Here we have AXS, BNB, we also have USDT, ETH and BUSD. So all you just have to do is, you can see here, don't just hold your crypto, grow it. So all you just have to do is you choose any token of your choice here, be it AXS or BNB or USDT or ETH or BUSD, and you click on it. But here, let me explain some things to you. Here in front of AXS we have 25%. That's the profit you're going to make when you lock up your AXS on Binance N. You make as high as 25%, and you get your profit every 7 days. And that of BNB, we have various staked various types of investment stakings you can make with your BNB. We have that of 6.53%, which is for 60 days. we have 6.36%, which is flexible. I'm going to explain the meaning of flexible. Flexible means you can end this staking anytime you like. Unlike this, that of this 60 days and 7 days, you have to wait for complete 7 days before you can get your profit. And you have to wait for complete 60 days before you can get your profit in this type of staking. Unlike flexible, whereby you can end it anytime you wish to or you want to. So that's just the difference between this flexible and fixed. So fixed also means it has a stipulated amount of days that you have to stake it up before you can able to unstake it again and also claim your profit. So just go ahead. If you're looking for the easiest and safest way, start making money online, which is also 100% safe and guaranteed. This is the best and safest way to start making money online with Binance app. So if you're yet to subscribe, I would advise you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss my subsequent videos where I'll be talking about how to make money with Binance app using these two other staking methods, which is a high yield and auto invest, as well as my forthcoming video, which will basically be on how to make money with spot trading, margin trading, futures trading, arbitrage, and many more other hidden methods which I use to make money on Binance app, which are not known by everybody. So I'll be showing you all that in my subsequent videos. So in order for you not to miss out on those time sensitive videos, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss those forthcoming videos. I remain yours, Felix Kennedy, also known as Crypto Champ. See you in my next video. Always remember to take charge of your financial life. Bye.